What is going on, guys? Welcome to GregglesTV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing, guys? Let's get into the news. First story of the day is about the Galaxy S8. Yes, here, last year's edition of the Galaxy S line. And it looks like AT&T is pushing out the Android Oreo update out for the Galaxy S8, which is great news because that now makes all four major carriers here in the United States pushing out that update for the phone, which is about time because Android Oreo has been out for months now, and it looks like the Galaxy S8, all four now have it. So if you have that phone, definitely, and you're on AT&T or one of the other carriers as well, go into your updates, your software updates, check for that update and install it. It'll also give you Galaxy Experience 9.0 and hopefully some performance improvements as well. And the last story of the day is if you're trying to buy a Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus and you haven't bought it just yet, you might want to look at the Microsoft store. Microsoft has a nice little promo going on. So if you buy the phone, the S9 or the S9 Plus, it will be unlocked, meaning you can use it on any carrier you want, anywhere in the world. And also, it'll have no bloatware, so you won't turn on the phone and it automatically has, some Verizon app or Facebook already installed or whatever app. It won't have any of that junk. It'll only have the Google apps and some Samsung apps. That's it. And then also, to add on to this, the bonus that they're giving away is a fast wireless charger. Not the newest edition that was released this year, but the one that was from last year. So still fast, still the same technology, just a slightly different look. I have last year's wireless charger and it works fantastic. So again, if you're looking for a deal and looking for some kind of bonus, you might want to look towards the Microsoft store. I'll link it down below. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. My question goes out to you guys. What is your favorite accessory to use with a phone besides a case? Let me know in the description, comments down below. For me, I would either say with some phones, obviously, I would say a wireless charger, especially with the Galaxy phones. But if it's not that though, definitely Bluetooth headphones. That's the thing I use the most by far. I use my Bose QC35-2 wireless headphones with any phone I have, and that's the accessory probably I use most besides just, plugging in a charger. So thanks for watching. I'll see you down the road. Peace.